Good morning, student. Today we will do another experiment of VLSI lab. What is that experiment? That is design and implementation of D flip-flop. Equipment required are Xilinx ISA software and personal computer. So D latch. This one is the logic diagram. Here we discuss the functionality of this diagram, because in the programming we have to put the functionality. Okay, so here we use 4 NAND gate. This one is 1 2 3 4. To the first NAND gate we give 2 input, that is D and clock. So this line we declare as 2 signal, that is D1 and D2. So for this NAND gate, for one NAND gate, D1 is the output and input is D and clock. So we can write D1 equal to D NAND CLK. Okay, then second NAND gate. At NAND gate 2, output is D2 and input is not D, because here a inverter is used, not D and clock. So D2 equal to not D NAND clock. Then NAND 3. To the NAND 3, 2 inputs are given. One is D1 and another one is Q bar, and output is Q. So we write Q equal to D1 NAND Q bar. Then NAND gate 4. To the NAND gate 4, 2 inputs are given. One is D2, another one is Q, and output is Q bar. So Q bar equal to D2 NAND Q. So these are the functionalities. So we declare this, or we write this functionalities within the program. Then our program will be complete. Only we have to declare these two signals, D1 and D2, and Q and Q bar are used in both cases. It is used in output and used as input also. So it is declared as in out. Okay, let's do the experiment. So for this experiment, first we click here. So after the opening of this window, we click here, new source widget. Here we select VHDL module, then give a name here, as our experiment is D flip-flop. So here I give the name D flip-flop. Then next, here we define our input output. So here D and CLK are used as input, but the output of D flip-flop also used as input. So Q and Q bar declared as in and out, means it is used in both input and output. Then next, finish. So here we have to declare the functionality, as I already discussed about that, so I write it directly. D NAND CLK. Then D2 assignment operator, not D NAND CLK, then Q, D1 NAND Q bar, Q bar assignment operator, D2 NAND Q. So here we have to declare the signals. Signal D1 and D2, STD logic. Okay, so the program is complete. So first we save it, then check syntax. Syntax failed. Let's check. Where is, oh sorry, here it is, NAND, NAND, NAND. Then what is the problem? Let's see, again save it, then check syntax. Okay, see here is the green tick, means there is no error present within this programming. Then view the RTL schematic. Then click on OK. This one is the schematic. Here is the two input, that is D and CLK, and here is the two output, Q and Q bar. This one is the internal diagram that contains 4 NAND gate. Okay, then we go to the simulation part. So for that, again we click on new source widget, then click on VHDL test bench, D, flip flop, then TB. Okay, next, finish. So I just remove all the programming and add this. Okay, so here the inputs are declared with giving some delay. Okay, next click here and check the syntax. Yes. Here you can see green tick is showing, that means the programming is okay. Then we click on simulate behavioral model. So drag the pointer and place it at any position. So here the clock is 1 and D is 0. So as we know, in D flip-flop, whatever is the input, at the output we get the same value when clock is 1, but when clock is 0 it hold the previous value. So here D is 0 and clock is 1, so at the output we get 0. Then drag it to clock 0. So here just the previous value is D1 clock 1, Q is 1. Then we just drag to clock 0 D0, but it hold the previous value as clock is 0. D equal to 0, it not appear at the output due to clock value. If clock is 1, then only we get the proper output. Okay, that means it shows our program is working properly. Thank you.